Hi, this is TJ here again. I'm here in front of my beautiful 86 Fiero GT and want to talk to you about some of the Fiero parts we developed. A piece that we've, through the years, I've owned several Fieros, restored quite a few. I love the cars, but I found some of the things are inadequate. You don't have much space for things like switches and such, for fog lights, any accessories that you want to add. Myself, being a non-smoker, I found that having ashtrays in the console on both sides of the shifter is unnecessary and kind of just taking space that can be utilized for other things. So one of the parts we developed here is this is the center console piece of a 5-speed car. I've got the boot removed and I've removed the ashtray door that you see here. This is the factory ashtray door that would normally be there, and underneath of course would be an ashtray. An alteration you have to do is cutting a piece out that supports the ashtray itself. This little small piece, which is easily removed. Once that's removed, we make these adapter pieces that will hold switches, buttons, toggle switches, small switches, buttons, rocker switches. This one says backup lights, could be fog lights, could be anything. This piece here is designed for 2 of the toggles, and we made this piece to drop right in place of the old ashtray door. So it's a perfect fit, drops right in, looks nice and clean. They're made from ABS plastic, so they can be painted to color match your vehicle, or they can be wrapped with vinyl to simulate either carbon fiber, wood grains, whatever you like for your interior to match that colors. You can see here it goes right into place, doesn't interfere with anything else in the vehicle. There's a couple of small screw holes we've added. It does require drilling a small hole and then using a couple of small screws that are recessed into the plate itself. Again, we've got several models. You can see they all give you access for wiring underneath and easy access to remove the 2 screws, and it lifts right out. You can do service work or whatever. We've actually included a small back plane on it for a cable tie, or in our case we have a small circuit board that can be added to it to make easy for wiring and to attach wires with a plug or something, so you can easily unplug it and remove it. You can actually do both sides. It works on either side, so if you remove the other ashtray door as well, you can have switches on both sides. So and that's it. Take a look on our website, E-TransControl.com. Look under the Fiero parts, the bottom of the product page. Appreciate your business. Have a good day.